How to say C translation on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to enable the C translation option for posts in different languages on Facebook app. Without further delay, let's get started. First, update your Facebook app to the latest version. Open Facebook and now go to menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap the setting icon at top right corner. Scroll down and navigate to language and region. Here select the second option, that is language you'd like to have post translated into. Then choose your preferred language and you can easily tap the save button at top left. Come back. Now let me search a particular post. Tap search icon and let me search it. And here are different kind of posts in different languages, so you can easily see translation option. Select that and it has automatically translated into your preferred language. So that is how you can easily see translation in Facebook application. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.